Hey! Watch this, watch this. Dan's gonna create an ebook in just a few minutes using this amazing tool.
Would you like to see me use Designrr app to create an ebook with the power of AI fast? I go here, create an ebook. I can choose import from YouTube. I've already imported a video from YouTube, but let's see if we can fetch one right now freshly. Well, let's see which one I can choose here. Let's go for this one. I simply click.
Welcome back to the channel.
I click on this
Today,
URL.
We have a mini PC. Run is B-link.
I go here, insert the link, fetch. Gonna wait a few minutes for this, and it will be emailed to me, and I will get back to you. This was in under a minute. You can see there 0533, and 0532 is when I downloaded that link or put the link into Designrr. So this is the video that I just got the link from, and I'm going to create an ebook from here. How do I do that? I first go through the transcription, and you will inevitably get errors because the transcription is not always as accurate as you would expect from even YouTube. YouTube doesn't transcribe accurately either. So let's check here for the errors. You can press the playback over there.
Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a mini PC.
So that is, you can play it from there, or you can play sections like this.
Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today
And it will stop there.
a mini PC. Run is B-link. Model number is 259. And this was brought by a customer.
Here's another portion of the video. So what you can do is, to get the transcription, you don't have to edit it here. You can get it, download the text, and it'll download a file, a text file, and we can work from there. I'll show you all that in a minute. So I've opened a Google Doc. I gave it a name just for demo purposes, and I'm going to insert the text over here that I've downloaded, previously. Let me just find the text here. Audio import, let's see this one here. I'm going to open this. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to paste it into this Google Doc. So yeah, I've got to do some work. I'm not going to bore you by showing you all that. I'll return with the transcription modified, ready for an ebook or a guide, whatever you want to call it. You can call it an ebook guide. This was a short video, so there's not a lot of text, but for demo purposes, it's just to show you how quickly this software can create an ebook in PDF, in EPUB, in any kind of software that is acceptable by Amazon. You can just go for it. See you in a second. Here's the email that Designrr sends to you once your transcription is ready. This is what it looks like. Just wanted to show you that. I've done the transcription. There, it's done on Google Docs. Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we have Mini PC. This is not a full ebook, but I'm sure you get the drift. You can do this for multi-pages. In this case, I'm actually lucky with this demo. This is just one single page. Now from here, we're going to go to Designrr again. And in Designrr's dashboard, I'm going to go to, let's go to my projects. Let's go to drafts again. Here's the transcription job. I have done that. Now I want to, from here, my projects, I want to create an ebook. And in this case, I showed you just now how to import from YouTube. Now you can import from not only YouTube, you can import from a podcast, depending on the subscription that you've bought into in Designrr. But you can start off with Designrr very reasonably priced. I'll talk to you about that later on in the video, not right now. We're busy with this. I just want to show you that you can import from a different video other than YouTube. You can start from scratch, import from a PDF. You can start from a template. You can merge multiple drafts. You can import from a podcast, YouTube, from a Google Doc, a Word document, and you can import from blog posts or a URL. And this is a new one, Word Genie. This is AI tech that has been added, and I will show you in a different video. I'm going to show you how this one works. But right now we are interested in importing from the Google Doc. You can also go from YouTube straight to PDF, or from podcasts straight to PDF, or from a PDF you can convert it straight to a flipbook. There are many options. Great, so import from a Google Doc. Let's get the URL. Go up here, copy, back to Designrr, enter the URL, and fetch. Now it's going to fetch that document. So now I want to share this document with Designrr. I'm going to copy the link and then I'm going to go to Designrr and paste it in here. There we go. Now it's going to fetch that document. When I click on fetch, there you see the title. You can add tags to your project, like for instance, let's just choose one radically and not specifically. You can choose more, but then click next. Now you can pick a template. For demo purposes, I'm going to use plain vanilla. Plain vanilla is the ordinary document. You can modify this one. You can always update your ebook later. You can change it into a different, you can choose different covers for your ebook, and you can choose different, totally a different template. But now for demo purposes, let's go on. This is the plain one. There's the title, Daniel Wentworth, the author. Although that wasn't me, you can just give the credits to the guy that did the YouTube video, or yourself if it's your own video. This is just to show you as a demo, so you don't plagiarize or commit plagiarism. It's just a disclaimer from me. Don't use your own name if it's been done by somebody else. Right, so there we got these things you can edit, but we're not going to do any editing here today. This is the back or the rear cover. You can modify this text to whatever you like. Modify this, and there you've got the ebook. It's all ready. What you can do then is click on save. The ebook's been made. You can always afterwards you can do all the editing and modifications using this dashboard, but there's no time for that right now. I'm going to click on let's take a preview. So now this guide has been completed. As I've said, you can give the credits to someone else. Don't use your own name if it is not done by you. If the video was done by you, then by all means. But if it's by someone else, you can give the credits to that person. It's just to show you. So what do we want to do right now? Let me save. Then it says project saved. Now you want to see what it looks like on the internet. You can click on this. This is what it looks like. This is how this guide will show up on the internet. Now you want to click on publish. So here it will ask you, how do you want to publish the book? You can publish it as an Adobe document, Kindle EPUB. You can, okay, this one is for audiobooks, won't be used in this case. For e-readers, for Amazon, and you can export it as HTML. You can export it as a flipbook or a live ebook that will show up on the internet. And then there's the title, the author. Okay, it's not really done by me. This is a demo, as I have mentioned before. And then you can add a description if you'd like. But let's go with export. Right, there it's been done. You can download it as a PDF file. This is what it looks like in PDF form. This is not an ebook per se. This is more of a guide. When you want to download it, you just click on the download. It will give you whatever. You can choose where to download it to, and there it goes. Over here is where you share it with clients. If you've got a client that has asked you to do an ebook for them, you can share it. You can type in the client's name and email, and once that is done, you can just click on done, and it will share it to that client automatically for you. So what I want to show you now is the finished product. Let's open it up. Now this is in PDF form, and that was how to create an ebook within a couple of minutes. Demo by Dan Wentworth for Designrr. Click on the link in the description below.